Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that is watching this video. This is just a quick video. Today I want to show you something not that exactly now. I want to show you something that I've made. I'm so proud of myself. It's my first time doing real handiwork. I made my cupboards, my drawers to put underneath the dollhouse, and I'm so proud of myself. It's just normal plywood I used. This is one for the big part of the house, and I made 3 drawers. You see, it's not perfect, but I made it. So this one got 3 drawers, and this one got 2. That's going underneath the patio lapa side and the teenage daughter's room. And then I want to show you. This is what my room looking at the moment. It's terrible. It's a mess. I know. It's this. I will call this a before video, and then I will show you after video how I want the room. Wants the room to look like. So everything here is in a shambles. Even my poor dollhouse looks like an earthquake hit it, upside down, wrong around. But yeah, I had to do that to make space, to start with that wooden cabinet of mine. Like I said, on the tables everywhere, it looks terrible. Where is my doggies? There's my little beauty. It's cold today. She's getting cold. I had to cut her hair because her hair was so matte. So I had to cut it now. She's all forever getting cold. It's winter here by us now, so it's starting to get real cold. And yeah, but I'm going to change the whole room like I want it to look off if I'm eventually finished with the house, with the home, my doll home. But yeah, so this is just a quick video. I actually just wanted to show you my cupboards I made. It even got wheels on so I can move it around, just to make it easier, and just high enough drawers. And yeah, so because my husband were on a biking thing this weekend and I was in the mood to go with, I didn't want the cold. And then I decided, well, I'm going to stay home. I had the wood already, most of the wood pre-cut by our local hardware store. And then all the wood was here, so I decided, okay, I'm going to start making this. And I did it myself with no help. And yeah, so my legs and everything is so sore. I'm not that fit anymore. Oh, I've got some great good news I have to share with everyone. Mina Wena is going to be a grandmother. My daughter-in-law's baby is on the way, and I'm going to be a grandmother soon. So I know what it is. We're going to have a reveal party this weekend, and but this grandma already know what it is. I know it's a boy, so if I'm wrong, I will tell you. But I know this is a little boy. Bye.